Hey, so have you ever had this kind of problem? Where is it? Um, sheesh, it's not here. So wait, you have this kind of problem, this one, and out of curiosity, you suddenly press line in or mic in or anything, and you click remember my selection and not show this dialog next time, and you press okay. I'm not gonna do that because I've already did that and I cried for an hour, and that's just pathetic. So you suddenly you press line in and then you press OK, and when you put your headset on, there's no sound coming in, and it's so annoying. So let's say you did just that. Okay, I'm scared. Okay, you click OK and there's that. Well, I'm gonna show you this what I did. I don't know if it's a solution, but it did work. Let's say you go here, you go in the here, type search here, and then you search for your control panel, and then you open your app. See, I've got 4 open, so let's remove the things we don't need. And so you search for HD audio manager, this one, and you click on it, and you click this one, this analog type of thing, it says here. Oh, and make sure your headphones or headsets are connected, because it's not gonna nothing's gonna happen. But if you click like that, it will appear. Wait, see, ta-da, it appeared, this type, this thing. And so now you can change it. If it's line in or headphone, then you click OK. But if your let's say headphone is removed or headset is removed and you're trying to fix it, it's not gonna work. See, I removed it and it turned out grayish because nothing's connected to your audio jack. Is that what they call it? So now you connect it, and then see, it's black, it's color black. So now you click OK, and I hope that helps you, because it did help me a lot. And that is all. Bye bye.